All right, in this follow-up, we're going to adjust our solution that was in factored form in the orange. We're going to multiply through and then put it into the green form. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to start with my two zeros that are complex, and I'm going to distribute that through. So I set up my matrix here to distribute, and then I'm going to use that to multiply by my x plus 4, and then multiply by the 1/5. So I've got x times x, that's x squared. Here I have negative 1 times x, so negative x. Here I have 3ix. Here I have a negative x. Here I have negative 1 times negative 1. Here I have negative 1 times 3i. And here I have x times negative 3i, so negative 3ix. And negative 1 times 3i, so positive 3i. And then negative 3i times positive 3i, so 9i squared. Sorry, negative 9i squared. And of course, this bit is equivalent to positive 9. That's equal to positive 9. Okay, so now I can simplify a little bit. I can see that this term and this term cancel each other. And this term and this term cancel each other. So I'm left with x squared here, negative 2x, and then I have my positive 1 and positive 9, so plus 10. And I'll copy that down. All right. So then I can go through that multiplication again. Here I have my x squared minus 2x plus 10. Over here I have x plus 4. So I'm going to make my grid and multiply through. So I have x times x squared, that's going to be x to the third. X times negative 2x, so negative 2x squared, and then 10x. Here I have 4 times x squared, so 4x squared. 4 times negative 2x, so negative 8x, and then 40. And when I combine my common factors, so I have my f of x equals 1/5 times x cubed, and then I have 4x squared and negative 2x squared, so that makes a positive 2x squared. I have negative 8x and positive 10x, so that's another plus 2, but this time just x. And then I have my plus 40. Good. Now then my last step is to distribute the 1/5, so I get 1/5 x cubed plus 2/5 x squared plus 2/5 x plus 8. Now notice from before, as we talked about, when we have our A, B, C, and D, if we put zeros in, these three terms all disappear, so we have our last term only, which should be 8, and we got that. And then we have these real coefficients, happen to be rational, and that's fine. And so we've put everything together and we have the kind of form that we want. This is a sufficient answer. We can put it in this form as well. It works out.